Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Tesla Fremont Factory fills up outbound lot with vehicles on Christmas Eve. Tesla posts heartwarming Frunkmas skit using its in-cabin zoom feature. Tesla only has about 70 Model 3s and Ys left for sale in US in 2022, as purchase discounts have had super effect. And Tesla 4680 production hits milestone of 868,000 cells in 7 days. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. It's the final stretch of Q4 2022, and Tesla is once more engaged in an end-of-quarter delivery push. This is hinted at in the company's recent strategies to push more vehicle sales, such as the rollout of discounts, as well as the strong stream of vehicles coming out of Tesla's EV plant in California, the Fremont Factory. While the Fremont Factory is not specifically designed for Tesla's vehicles like Gigafactory Shanghai, Giga Berlin, and Gigafactory Texas, it is still a formidable car plant in its own right. This is one of the reasons why Bloomberg data indicated that the Fremont Factory stood as the United States' most productive auto plant in 2021, outpacing 70 other facilities across the country. In a drone flyover of the Fremont Factory on the morning of Christmas Eve, one could see that the Fremont Factory was abuzz with activity. Large numbers of vehicles could be seen around the complex, and the plant's staging area was filled with electric cars. Car carrier trucks were also busy loading and transporting the EVs from the site. While the Fremont Factory is already the United States' most productive auto plant, Tesla is still putting a lot of effort into ensuring that the facility gets even more optimized. A sign of these efforts could be seen in November, when Tesla reportedly brought in a team of about 200 people from Giga Shanghai to help the Fremont Factory optimize its operations. The assignments of the foreign staff, which were reportedly comprised of automation and control engineers, will last 3 months. If the reports were accurate, then the team from Giga Shanghai is likely still in the Fremont Factory this month. Teams from Tesla China did not only help out the Fremont Factory. As per previous reports, the EV maker has also brought in a team led by Tesla China boss Tom Zhu to Gigafactory Texas. The team is reportedly tasked with helping the facility prepare for Cybertruck production. The Cybertruck is one of Tesla's most anticipated products, and CEO Elon Musk has predicted that the all-electric pickup truck should start production next year. Moving to the next update, Tesla posts heartwarming Frunkmas skit using its in-cabin zoom feature. Tesla has not had an easy 2022. Its stock has dipped significantly over the year, its CEO Elon Musk is more controversial than ever, and just recently, California banned the company from calling its advanced driver assist system full self-driving. But Tesla, despite all these challenges, is still Tesla, so it is still a company that knows how to have some fun. This was shown in the electric vehicle maker's Christmas post on Twitter. To celebrate the holiday, Tesla posted a short skit featuring a child and his dad speaking with Santa Claus using the company's newly launched in-cabin zoom feature. The wholesome skit was less than a minute long, but it's enough to make anyone smile. During the child's in-cabin zoom conversation, Saint Nick encouraged the little boy to check out the Model Y's frunk. The child was overjoyed to find a gift waiting for him, though it took some effort for the child to get to his present due to the Model Y's rather deep frunk. Tesla's in-cabin zoom feature was launched as part of this year's holiday update for vehicles equipped with the company's MCU3 unit, as per Not a Tesla app. Tesla's implementation of zoom is quite clever, as the company simply uses its vehicle's in-cabin camera for video conference sessions. Tesla described the feature in Update 2022.44.25.1's release notes. While the rollout of zoom to Tesla's vehicles has only just started, the feature has received a seal of approval from the founder and CEO of the video conferencing service. In a post earlier this month, Zoom founder and CEO Eric S. Yuan noted that he had his first Zoom call in a Tesla, and the experience was quite awesome. Moving to the next update, Tesla only has about 70 Model 3s and Ys left for sale in US in 2022, as purchase discounts have had super effect. Demand for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y vehicles is through the roof in the US after the company announced a purchase discount. At the moment, Tesla only has about 70 vehicles left for sale in the US in 2022, as the purchase discounts have had a super effect. Tesla Model 3 and Model Y available for purchase in the US in 2022 are almost out of stock. According to data from Tesla's Global Inventory Search (EVCPO), posted by Chris Dungeon on Twitter, the company only has 72 vehicles left at the time of this video. Currently, only 9 Model 3 and 63 Model Y are available for purchase in the US. It looks like all available cars will be sold out this year, which will have a great positive effect on the company. Particularly high consumer interest in Model 3 and Model Y appeared after Tesla offered a discount on the purchase on December 22. According to its website, the manufacturer is offering a $7,500 rebate in the US and a $5,000 rebate in Canada if the car is delivered before the end of the year. Plus, Tesla is offering 10,000 miles of free charging on its superchargers. As early as Friday, Tesla began selling off its demo and test drive vehicles from stores, with some locations selling out on the same day. The number of orders from consumers willing to buy and take delivery of a car in 2022 has skyrocketed. Similar sales rebates from Tesla have occurred in all of its major markets, the US, China, and Europe. Apparently, the manufacturer has set its sights on a very aggressive Q4 by selling all available cars. Tesla was able to significantly increase vehicle production in Q3 and Q4 this year. In addition to the growth in production capacity of Giga Shanghai, Giga Berlin and Giga Texas are also growing and making a significant contribution to the number of cars produced. Moving to the last update, Tesla 4680 production hits milestone of 868,000 cells in 7 days. It appears that Tesla's 4680 battery cell production line is hitting its rhythm. As recently announced by the company, its 4680 team has managed to build 868,000 cells in the last 7 days. That's roughly equal to the battery packs of over 1,000 electric vehicles. Tesla announced the milestone on its official Twitter account. The EV maker highlighted its appreciation for its 4680 team in its post, while also including a couple of photos of the teams behind the milestone. Congrats to the 4680 cell team on achieving 868,000 cells built in the last 7 days, equal to 1,000 plus cars, Tesla wrote. While producing enough cells for over 1,000 electric cars may seem like a minor achievement, considering the scale of Tesla's overall operations, the accomplishment was likely achieved with just the company's initial 4680 production lines. Tesla currently produces 4680 cells in its pilot line at Cato Road, close to the Fremont Factory. Giga Texas also has a 4680 line. During the Q2 2022 earnings call, Tesla's senior VP of Powertrain and Energy Engineering, Drew Baglino, noted that the company expects to ramp its 4680 cell production to exceed 1,000 vehicles per week by the end of the year. He also noted that while Tesla's 4680 pilot line in Cato Road is improving its output, Giga Texas should overtake Cato's weekly production by the end of 2022. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.